Hello my people, welcome again to my channel Polo Ouma at Maths Online Tutor. To get subscribe to my channel to get more solution on problem in mathematics. So today I wanna look at linear equation. Linear equation is a very key topic in mathematics. It's a very key topic in mathematics which many people apply so that they can solve some problems, most of the problem in mathematics. So in this linear equation or simultaneous equation, you need to very serious and understand. You need to be patient because this video will take a matter of time, not a short time, but it will take a matter of time, like 1 hour. I can tell you, can help you to know everything in linear equation and how the linear equation can help you to solve problem in a wide range of fields, including science, engineering, economics, and social sciences. Simultaneous equation is a set of values that justify all the equation in the system simultaneously. So in this linear equation, there are some key issues we need to consider for us to solve problems on linear equation. One, we need to know about standard form of linear equation in two variables. Standard form of a linear equation. Standard form of a linear equation. Second, you need to know about method of solving simultaneous equation or linear equation. We have several methods, but first we wanna look at only two methods, which is elimination method and the substitution method. Elimination method there is substitution method. And for how linear equation is used to solve problem in a real world problem. How linear equation is used to solve real world problem. Let's start with the number one, the standard form of a linear equation. The standard form of a linear equation is x plus y is equal to a constant. Let's go to method of solving simultaneous equation. Methods of solving simultaneous of solving simultaneous. 1. Elimination method. Elimination method. Elimination method. In elimination method is the simpler one. According to me, it's the simpler one. It's the simpler way of solving simultaneous equation. For instance, consider the following. X plus y is equal to 4. 2x plus y is equal to 6. Solve the simultaneous equation to get the value of y and x. How do we do it? According to me, how I can tell my student how to handle this problem, I have a certain formula which has really helped me when solving simultaneous equation using elimination method. The formula is SSS then DAS. This formula simply means same sign subtraction. When you have same signs, you subtract, and when you have different sign, different DSA, different sign, DSA, different sign addition. When you have same sign, you subtract. Different sign, you add. You find the addition. In this our case, how do we solve this one? It's x plus y is equal to 4. 2x plus y is equal to 6. How do we solve it? Let's choose one row. Let's choose, you can choose either the x column or the y column, but let's choose the x column. When you choose the x column, the coefficient of x here is 1, so we multiply the coefficient of here, we multiply this downside, and the coefficient of this x is 2. Let's write it there. Then what you do, you multiply 2 times everything here in this row. 2 times x, it will be 2x plus 2y is equal to 8. And the following row, it will be 1 times 2x, it will be 2x plus y is equal to 6. Then you apply this our formula here, same sign subtraction, and here we have same sign here. 2x minus 2x, it will be 0. Then here 2y minus y, it will be y is equal to 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, it will give us 2. So the value of y is equal to 2. Let's find the value of x. How do we find the value of x? Let's go to our equation, our problem upside here. You can either take this one or this one. Let's substitute this y is x plus y is equal to 4. Let's substitute the value of y here. So it will be x plus this 2, which is the value of y is equal to 4. And this will go to our sign, it will be x is equal to 4 minus 2, which x will also be 2. So in this our problem, we have found the value of y and x. The value of x is 2 and the value of y is 2, and that's how it's being done. Let's do another one. 8x x plus 5y is equal to 12, and 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Solve this simultaneous equation using elimination method to find the value of x and y. We'll solve this one the same way we solved the other one. What you need to do, you need to look for either the x column or the y column, but according to me, I normally use but for this sum, let's use the y column. Y column here, the coefficient of y is 3. We'll write this 3 here, and this 3 or 5, this 5, this 5. So here is 5, and here will be 2. So what we need to do, you will use 2 to multiply all these things across this column, across the first row. 2 times 8, it will be 16x, plus 2 times 5 will be 10y, is equal to 2 times 12 will be 24. On the second row, 5 times 3, it will be 15x, plus 5 times 2, it will be 10y, 5 times 4, it will be 20. Let's recall that formula of ours: same sign subtraction, different sign addition. And in this our case, we have positive and positive, which means the sign are the same. So here it will be 16 minus 15x, it will be x. Here it will be 0, here it will be 4, which means we have got the value of x. The value of x is 4. Let's find the value of y. The value of y, we'll go back to our equation and choose either the first or the second equation. And in this our case, let's take the second equation, which is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Let's substitute that x, so it will be 3 times 4 plus 2y is equal to 4. 12 plus 2y is equal to 4. And this 12 come here, the other side, 12y is equal to 4 minus 12. 4 minus 12, it will be negative 8. Negative 8 divided by 2, divide both sides by 2. It will be y is equal to negative 4. So list our findings. Finding x was 4 and y is equal to negative 4. And that's how it's being done. It's just simple like that. We have another example on elimination method. 5x what's wrong with this, my camera? 5x plus 3y is equal to 12. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. So let's solve it. We can choose either row of, let's choose the but let's use the either row. Let's use the either row. This is our sum. 3 and 3. This column of 3, they are the same. So here we just multiply direct. We just find the difference direct. 5 minus 2. Let's recall that one in first, that our formula first. Same sign, subtraction, and here we have the same sign. We will subtract, it will be 3x. And here it will be different sign, addition. Our finding. Let's look at the other method of solving simultaneous equation, which is substitution method, because we have done multiple example on elimination method. Let's look at substitution method, the second method, which is substitution method. That on substitution method, I think we'll just use the same example we used on solving elimination method. The first example we used was x plus y is equal to 4 and 2x plus y is equal to 6. We want to use it to solve the value of y and x. What will we do? In substitution method, you should say either the first equation or the second equation. So in this first equation, according to this one, I'll choose the first equation because it looks simpler. X plus y is equal to 4. Let's make x the subject, so it will be x is equal to 4 minus y. Then this was our first equation and this is our second equation, and we have used the first equation to make x the subject. So let's substitute the value of this x in the second equation. In the second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 6. So it will be 2 into the place of where, let's do x with 4 minus y plus y is equal to 6. It will be 8 minus 2y plus y is equal to 6, which will be negative 2 plus y. Negative 2 plus y, it will be y. 8 minus y is equal to 6. So this will go the other side. It will be negative y is equal to 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8, which will be negative 2. Divide both sides by negative 1. Y will be 2. The value of y is 2. Let's find the value of x. The value of x, let's come to this our. The value of x is equal to 4 minus y. X is equal to 4 minus y, and our y is 2. So x will be 2. X equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. And now that's how substitution method is being done when handling simultaneous equation. Let's look at another example. X, 8x plus 5y is equal to 12. 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. This one, which of the other equation looks simpler? I think the second equation looks simpler than the first equation. So we'll start with we'll use second equation to handle this sum. It will be 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. And it will be 3x. Let's make x the subject is equal to 4 minus 2y. Let's divide by 3 by 3. Divide here by 3, divide here by 3, divide here by 3. So it will be x is equal to 4 over 3 minus 2 over 3y. Let's substitute this value of y in the first equation. First equation was 8x. X is this one, 4 over 3 minus 2 over 3y plus 5y is equal to 12. It will be 8 times 4 over 3 over 5y. Then collect the like terms. It will be 16 over 3y plus 5. It will be negative y over 3 is equal to 12 minus 32 over 3. So 12 minus 32, it will be negative 3y is equal to 12 over negative 3 over negative 3. This way, this one. Y is equal to negative 4. Then let's find the x1. And this x is equal to 4 over 3 minus 2 over 3 times y, which was negative 4, 3. It will be x calculated. When you calculate it, x will be 4. So the value of x, we have got the value of x and y. The value of x is 4 and the value of y is negative 4. And that's how substitution method is being done on solving simultaneous equations.